Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change lock screen wallpaper for Motorola Moto X40. To do this, we'll need to open our settings, then locate wallpaper. Right here you can choose new wallpaper, so you can select from your photos, stylize them, use dynamic motions on it, or use curated images. I'm gonna go for my photos, pick this one, then we can adjust it however we like and click on the OK button to set it up on our lock screen. Now wait till it's finished loading, and then if we lock our phone and try to unlock it, there's different wallpaper. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.